Hey, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your videos and photos from your Google Pixel phone to your Windows computer. The first step is to connect your Google Pixel phone using your charging cable. Once connected, unlock your phone and swipe down from the top of the screen to open your notifications. Now, you'll see an option that says charging this device via USB. Go ahead and tap on that. And now, we're going to tap on this option that says File Transfer / Android Auto. Now we're ready to move to the computer. On your PC, click on the search bar at the bottom and type in File Explorer. Now select the first option. Now on the left side, you're gonna scroll down and click on this PC. You should now see your Google Pixel listed on the screen. Double click on it to open it. Next, we're going to look for your media. We're going to double click on the folder named Internal Shared Storage. And then look for the folder named DCIM. Open that up. And you'll find a folder called Camera. Open that up. This is where all the photos and videos you've taken are stored. Give it a few seconds to load. If you have a lot of files, a quick tip, you can organize them by clicking Sort at the top and choosing Descending. And to see them better, click on View and select Extra Large Icons. Now it's time to create a safe place on your computer for these pictures and videos. We're gonna do a right click on any empty space on your desktop, just like this, and we're going to select New. And now click on Folder, and now you can name it whatever you like. I'll name it Photos from Google Phone. Now let's go back to our Pixel's camera folder. Now to select your photos, click and hold the left mouse button and drag it across the files, and you'll see a blue rectangle forming. Everything inside that rectangle will be selected. Once you've highlighted your photos, right click on them, and then you can choose Cut if you want to move them off the phone entirely, or Copy if you want to keep a copy on both your phone and your PC. Now open your new desktop folder. Right click on an empty space inside the folder and select Paste. Your photos will now begin transferring. And as simple as that, now you have your photos and videos on your Windows computer. If your phone didn't pop up on the computer, don't worry. We're gonna try a different USB cable, as some cables are for charging only and don't transfer data. If that doesn't work, try restarting both devices, your computer and your Pixel phone. To restart your Pixel, simply hold the power and volume up buttons for a few seconds and tap Restart. And if you run into any other issues, please leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye now.